If you want to look like the hottest person in the room, I promise you, it's not just about your makeup, it's not about your hair, it's not even about your outfit. I guarantee there's one really important piece that you're missing that you don't even realize, and it's the one thing that's going to make you so much more magnetic, so much more attractive, and you will literally turn heads. Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, I'm doing an entire 2026 glow up series, and I'm basically like your beauty survival guide where I'm showing you everything you need to know to just become the hottest version of yourself and feel good from the inside out and just more confident. I bet you probably have like a 5 to 7 step skincare routine for your face, but then the rest of your body skin is just running on scented body wash and vibes. You're walking outside with crusty, dry skin, immediate jail time. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 body care mistakes you need to stop making and what to do instead. Your skin needs to be just as bright as your future. I'm going to show you the biggest difference that these body care tips will make. This side of my body looks normal, but there's no hydration. It looks kind of dry and flat and dull. Look at this side. It's glowy, it's bronzy. I kind of look like I just stepped off the plane from Turks and Caicos. It's giving like J-Lo red carpet vibes. And if you think the dry, dusty, dull side is better, you're absolutely lying to me and to yourself. By the end of this video, you are gonna know how to look 10 times more attractive. Let's get into it. To show you guys the first tip that's absolutely gonna change your life and get you that instant glow up, I am partnering with QVC. I love shopping on the QVC website because they literally have all of the best beauty finds at such incredible prices. And a lot of people don't know this, but they have high-end brands at lower prices. So if you're trying to save some money, this is your time. One of the biggest mistakes I guarantee you're making is you're leaving the house with crusty, dry, ashy, and flaky skin that's drier than your DMs, okay? Next time you wear a tank top or shorts, or if you're showing any kind of skin up here before you even leave the house, this is my secret weapon for being the hottest person in the room. This is the Tarte Key Largo Glow Body Stick. I was browsing the QVC website and this was such a good price, I had to get it. And it's absolutely insane. It looks like this when you open it up. We are going into summer and the goal is to have the sun just reflecting off of your skin so everybody knows, damn, she's hydrated. We want to strategically place our body glow. I like to put this on my shoulders and anywhere you know the light is going to touch. Because this is a bronzing body stick and it's going to give you kind of like a light tan, put this all over my arms just so it's more even. Then you definitely want to put it on the collarbone area, around the chest area if that's open. And the best part about this is like if you're on vacation, this is so perfect because if you're trying to get pictures taken like on the beach or something, you will literally look angelic. Like you will look ethereal. Your pictures are going to turn out so stunning. This is how my arms looked before, just dry and dull and flat, and there's nothing special about them. And this is how it looks after using the Tarte Key Largo Glow Body Stick. Now look, your body might be really glowy, but you can't have your face looking dull and flat because it has to match. So now what you're going to do is get some glowy bronzing drops. I love the ones from Tarte. Again, these are the Key Largo Glow Bronzing Drops. I have the shade Champagne Glow, and what I like to do is mix this into my foundation. And this just makes your foundation look 10 times better. You're going to look glowy without looking greasy, and your skin is going to look like you just walked out of a facial. Like you are going to get so many compliments on not just your makeup, but also your skin. Look how glowy and smooth my makeup looks right now. It's because of this. And the last step I guarantee you're skipping, and this is part of that strategic body glow routine. You need to bronze up your face, but you can't just use any bronzer. It has to be a glowy bronzer. And this one from Laura Mercier is one of my favorites. I also picked this up from QVC. This is the Bronze Color Infusion in the shade 30 Can. And the reason this is so cool is because one side is a bronzer and one side is a highlight. When you mix them up together, it creates like this bronzy, glowy highlight. And you're going to use this to warm up the face around the cheekbones, around the jawline, on the forehead, and around the nose. And it's going to match that bronzy glow you have on your body, so everything looks really cohesive. And I swear, just doing these 3 things is going to completely change your appearance. But the next 2 tips are so important too. I'm going to have all of my QVC links in the description and also pinned in my comments. So if you want to look like a bronzed goddess, this is your time to get them now. Another huge mistake I guarantee you're making, especially if your arms and legs have bumpy skin like this, is you don't realize the importance of shaving the right way. And I shaved the wrong way for the longest time, but when I figured out how to do it correctly, my skin started to look like this. And the wrong way to do it is getting into the shower, putting on your soap and everything, and then just shaving with a shaving cream. No, there's an art, there's a strategy to this. The first thing you want to do when you get into the shower is use a body scrub, because what the scrub is going to do is it's kind of going to get rid of any dead skin sitting on the surface of your skin. A lot of times that dead skin is what causes those little bumps and ingrown hairs. So when you use a body scrub first, it kind of gets rid of that and you're going to get a much cleaner, closer shave. Also, the benefit of a body scrub is that it's going to leave your skin feeling so soft and smooth. And then after you do your body scrub, when you start to shave, stop using a shaving cream and then use a shave oil. Shave oils have honestly changed my life because they just give you a lot more slip and they kind of keep your skin nourished while you're shaving. Like I used shaving creams for the longest time and I kept wondering why I was getting ingrown hairs and why my shaves were always always really, really rough. And then when I switched to shave oils, my skin completely changed. You basically just apply this all over your arms, legs, armpits, wherever you're shaving. And when you actually go to shave, you want to go with the direction of your hair growth first. Like for me, I have to go down the opposite way, so it kind of feels awkward, but I promise it's gonna smooth out your legs, okay? You gotta listen. Once you feel like you're at a good place, go back and shave against the direction of your hair growth. This makes sure that your legs are gonna be super soft and clean, and you get that really, really even, nice shave, and you are not gonna get ingrown hairs. If you didn't know that, comment below. And the last tip that is so important that I feel like so many people neglect because they're just lazy, and guess what? We are gonna stop being lazy. If you wanna be the main character, you have to act like the main character. You have to stop being lazy. You have to stop making excuses and saying you don't have time to take care of yourself and your body, because if you don't take care of yourself, it shows. Everyone can see it. And the one thing I just know for a fact that nobody does is after your shower, you are not moisturizing. Why are you doing that? Do you like having dry, crusty skin? Okay. If you want your skin to be softer and smoother than a baby's butt, like when somebody touches it, you want them to go, oh my God, how is your skin so soft? When you get out of the shower, do not grab your towel. It's gonna feel weird, but don't grab your towel immediately. While the water from the shower is still on your body, you're gonna grab a body lotion. You can use whatever body lotion you want. You're gonna slather your body lotion all over your body, okay? I'm talking arms, I'm talking legs, I'm talking everything in between. When you moisturize on top of dry skin, it's actually not gonna work well. When you put it on top of damp skin, it's actually gonna absorb a lot deeper into your skin, and it's gonna work like 10 times better, and your skin is actually gonna stay hydrated for a lot longer. Like you might feel like, oh my gosh, I have such dry skin. Every time I put moisturizer on, I see dry flakes after like 5 hours again. It's because you're not doing it on damp skin. And bonus, you can finish this off with a body oil on top. A lot of people like to do body oil before lotion, but that is the wrong way to do it. Oil isn't occlusive, okay? That means it's creating a layer on top of your skin, but it's not going to go deeper into your skin. Like it's not penetrating your skin surface. The only thing that's going to penetrate your skin surface is a water-based product, so like a body lotion. So when you put oil first and then body lotion, your body lotion isn't able to go into your skin and actually hydrate it. So you want to do lotion to hydrate and then oil to soften and smooth. That's going to completely change your life. And that is it. Everything I'm going to be using, I'm going to link in my description box. Remember to shop all my favorite body glow finds at QVC. If this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to glow up in 2026, make sure you stick around and subscribe for my 2026 glow up series. If there's anything specific you want to see in this series, let me know in the comments below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.